Good morning students, this is Pankaj Singh. Today I am going to explain exercise 1.2 class 8th. Represent this number on the number line. As you seen on the screen, there is question first is 7 upon 4 and second is minus 5 upon 6. So here 7 upon 4 we can represent on the number lines as we follow because their denominator is 4. जो डिनोमिनेटर है उसमें 4 हैं तो 0 and 1 those who are equidistant and 1 and 2 it is also. So now we do one thing, we have to divide 4 equal part. Then clearly we have to its line segment we divide 4 equal parts between 0 and 1 and 1 and 2. So now we have to represent 7 upon 4 on the number line. So we mark it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There is 7 upon 4. So we have to locate on the number line. Okay. More understand, I leave one video here. You can see.
To represent 7 by 4 on the number line, let's first draw a number line. Now look at 7 by 4. Clearly, this is less than 2. So first, let's look at our number line and mark the points 1 and 2. Distance between 0 and 1 should be the same as distance between 1 and 2. Now, 7 by 4 has 4 in the denominator. So what do? The segment 0 to 1, let's divide into 4 parts, equal parts. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Similarly, we divide 1 to 2 as well into 4 parts. Now we are ready to mark. The first point after 0 is 1 by 4. Then we have 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4, 5 by 4, 6 by 4 and finally 7 by 4. So there is 7 by 4 on the number line.
I hope you understand. Second number question, there is minus 5 upon 6. So in this question we have to divide 6 equal parts. So it is your homework. Same way, question number 2, we have to represent 3 numbers minus 1 upon minus 2 upon 11, comma minus 5 upon 11 and 9 upon 11. So here there is little bit correction is there. We have to divide 11 equals part between minus 0, minus to 0 and 0 to 1. If we are seeing the question, denominator is 11, then we have to divide 11 equal parts. If there is denominator 4, then we have to divide 4 equals part. There is only this much is difference this. Okay, means अगर इसमें डिनोमिनेटर में 9 by 11 दिया है, डिनोमिनेटर 11 है यहाँ पर, तो 11 इक्वल पार्ट में डिवाइड करेंगे. अगर 4 दिया है 4 इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करेंगे और 5 दिया है तो 5 इक्वल पार्ट में डिवाइड करेंगे. बाद बाकी ये सब सेम है. ओके, एंड हियर राइट 5 रेशनल नंबर विच आर द स्मॉलर देन 2. 2 can be represented as a 14 upon 7 because 7 divided by 14 is equal to 2. Therefore 5 rational number smaller than 2, less than 14, 13 upon 17, 12 upon 7, 11 upon 7, 10 upon 7 and 9 upon 7. मीन्स जो डिवाइड होगा इससे लेस देन जो नंबर है, जो न्यूमिनेटर से 14 है, फिर 13 उससे लेस है, 12 और उससे लेस है, 11 और उससे लेस है, 10 उससे लेस है. तो ये नंबर लाइन, इसमें बहुत सारे जो रेशनल नंबर हैं वो हम लोग फाइंड कर सकते हैं. फोर्थ नंबर 5, 10 रेशनल नंबर्स बिटवीन minus 2 upon 5 and 1 upon 5. So minus 2 upon 5 and 1 upon 5 can be represented as 8 upon 20 and 10 upon 20. How? First we have to take the LCM. So 5 and 2 LCM is 10. Okay, so we have to divide 8 upon 20 and 10 upon 20. We have to find same denominator. Therefore 10 rational number between 2/5 and 1/5 are -7/20, 6/20, 5/20, 4/20. We find between the number of this. Okay. Fifth number, find 5 rational number between 2/3 and 4/5. As we know that so many rational number between them 2/3 and 4/5. जो ये नंबर हैं इनफिनाइट हैं, इनके बीच में बहुत सारे जो नंबर्स हैं अनकाउंटेबल्स हैं वो अपन फाइंड करते हैं। तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे 2/3 and 4/5 जो रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे 13/45 and 36/45. We have to find same denominator. 3 5 जा 15, 15 3 जा 45, and here also 5 9 ja 45. So we as a represent on the number line. Therefore 5 rational number between them 2/3 and 4/5 are 31. We have to fill the gaps between 30 and 36. 31/45, 32/45, 33/45. बहुत से बच्चों का अलग आंसर भी आएगा, तो रॉन्ग नहीं है क्योंकि इनके बीच में बहुत सारे रेशनल नंबर्स होते हैं। सेम सेकंड है, थर्ड है, वो आपका होमवर्क है। सिक्स्थ नंबर इज राइट 5 रेशनल नंबर्स ग्रेटर देन 2। इससे पहले वाले क्वेश्चन में था स्मॉलर देन 2, अब इसमें हम लोगों को ग्रेटर देन फाइंड करना है। तो सेम जो माइनस में मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया, जो स्मॉलर नंबर होता है वो ग्रेटर होता है और प्लस में इसका अपोजिट होता है। तो सेम 5 रेशनल नंबर फाइंड करने हैं इससे ग्रेटर देन। तो -13/7, -12/7, -11/7, -10/7 and -9/7. It is a 5 rational number of greater than 2. Same this question, find 10 rational number between 3/5 and 3/4. You see the video, then you are understand for that.
These are the two rational numbers that we have, 3/5 and 3/4. If I need to find rational numbers between these two, an easy thing to do would be make the denominator common. So I write them down as 12/20 and 15/20. Now examine these two numbers. Between these two, I can have 13/20 and 14/20 as two rational numbers, right? But we want more and we want an easy method. So we write 3/5 as 48/80 and 3/4 as 60/80, right? Now you can find a number of rational numbers like this: 49/80, 50/80, 51/80, and you go on. So there you have your 10 rational numbers. There is no one way of doing it. You can do it in a number of ways.
जो मेथड है जो अर्ली क्लास में मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया है वो शायद डिफरेंट हो सकता है, और ये रेशनल नंबर मैं एक बार फिर आपको याद करवाना चाहूँगा कि बहुत सारे रेशनल नंबर होते हैं दो संख्याओं के बीच में। तो कोई भी मेथड हो, कोई भी आपका आंसर हो वो करेक्ट है, क्योंकि इनके जो बीच में हैं, जो लेस देन इनके जो बीच में लिमिट्स होती है वो बहुत सारे नंबर्स होते हैं। ओके, आई होप यू आर अंडरस्टैंड। सो 1.2 you are over. Do one things. Once again you have to read all definition, all example, then you do your notes. I hope you are understand. Thank you and have a nice day.